Listen to that sound. Look how beautiful this is. Let's cut a slice. Look at this. Hello everyone, I hope you're well. Today we meet again for one sweet recipe, French caramel custard. Who doesn't love a creamy caramel custard? It's one cake really. Very easy, but obviously very greedy. First, make the caramel. Melt sugar with water in one saucepan. I put my sugar with water, and I'll put it in the oven. We will need, as a precaution, eggs of milk, cream and sugar. Take it out the first time. Add the milk, mix it with the cream, bring it to a boil with the cream. Milk. I will mix it with the cream, and I'll put it to a boil. With the cream, here I will caramelize my sugar in the first place. We stay next door, but we must not mix. It must be left like this. And here next door, I have the milk. I will bring it to a boil. To mix with the eggs and sugar, I will break the eggs. You can, for example, if you want one quantity, one little less, you can put just half of the pieces. Sometimes it starts to boil. Do not touch it at all, but we have to stay by the wayside because it goes really fast. Here we will mix with the sugar. This is the cake, so I think it's the easiest. But it's the best when you really don't have time. You have guests, or I don't know. It is prepared in 2-2. Just plan. A 4 hours cool, and otherwise, it's the fastest. As you see, I brought the milk with the cream to a boil. And I will come and add the little by little on the eggs. As you see, honestly, it is the easiest way. Because for the egg flan, there are several recipes, but this one is really the easiest that I could do. It starts to take there, you are very careful. I will put water and close the water. It's warm water, right? Be careful because it is. And we stop the fire. And they're directly in the mold that goes into the oven. We try to distribute it, so I think it's prettier. Let cool before putting the liquid. Eggs with water. Here I install one towel in my Pyrex. I'll come and put some water. Hot water preferably. I will come, install my mold inside. It's one cooking in a double boiler. I'm waiting for it to be frozen. We'll put it inside. You see more and more, it will stick on the sides. From time to time, it doesn't hurt. Is hot. We can say that it is good. I install it at the bottom like this. And can I take one screen? This is for the... Really, we say that it is for the maniacs, but it's always good to do it this way. And we'll come put it like this. It avoids having lump, and at the same time, it makes one very, very smooth. It is always... I like that. The rendering is good. Successful when working. To do your job well, Hop, we do not go to the end and we remove. We cover with aluminum paper like this.
On couvre avec du papier aluminium, comme ceci.
And let's go in one preheated oven at 150 degrees.
Pendant 50 minutes.
And here we are the next day. So once I took it out of the oven, I left it cool for 1 hour at room temperature in the kitchen. And then I put it in the fridge all night. And then we'll take it out together. Then one very important thing, you try here to spread the sides either with your fingers, otherwise with a knife. You really only go on the sides, like this. To prevent it from clinging, like this hop. Here it is, and then we will take it out. We'll eat a little hop. I love the noise. And here is our flan. You have seen this beauty. We're going to cut one part anyway. Look at this. I make you want to, but you will do it at home. Look. This is the easiest cake, but the most greedy. To see, then, do you understand? It's really very good. I invite you to do it at home. Enjoy, and see you in the next recipe.